Hi, Craig here, an instructor in the Heavy Mechanical Trades Department, coming to you from the unceded traditional territory of the Caledonia First Nation. CNC is honored to work with Indigenous communities of the region. The Heavy Mechanical Trades program could be your pathway to contributing to the success of your community. Stay close to home and get trained at CNC in a program that has helped learners from many backgrounds create a successful career maintaining, diagnosing, and repairing machinery. We adapt classes to give learners different ways to understand the material and be able to apply this knowledge through CNC's Universal Design for Learning model. Also, as you learn at CNC, you will find a supportive environment in the Aboriginal Resource Centre and our new Aboriginal House. Learn about several areas of the heavy repair industries like mining, agriculture, oil and gas, and forestry, with hands-on experience working on equipment used in the field. If you're looking for a career, security, and an exciting future, Heavy Mechanical Trades at CNC is for you.